The next videos are for the multiple choice section where we need a graphic display calculator. So we'll need to be able to find zeros, we'll need to be able to find min and max, and we'll also need to be able to integrate to find area under the curve on the graphing calculators. Question number 76 says f prime is the derivative function of f shown from -3 to 3. So this is a rate equation, so this is a derivative function. On what intervals is f increasing? So f increasing means that f prime is positive. That means that we're looking for parts of the graph that are above the x-axis. So it's going to be above the x-axis all the way through these points. Okay, so that's where our f prime is going to be positive. So then the answer to this, the region is going to be from 1 to 3. So taking a look, -1 to 3. So that answer is going to be B. Question number 77 is a rate problem again. It says the rate at which the water leaks from a tank is modeled by the function R. Okay, so R is the derivative function. This is a rate. And it's the differentiable function of the number of hours after the leak is discovered. So which of the following is the best interpretation of R prime at 3? So the derivative of the rate is going to be the rate of rate. Okay, so then the rate is going to be in gallons per hour, so this rate should be in gallons per hour, or per hour squared. So the selection A says the amount of water in gallons has leaked out of the tank during the first 3 hours after the leak is discovered. So this is incorrect because this is the amount of water. So we would have to anti-differentiate or integrate, find the area underneath the rate curve to get that term. For B, it says the amount of change in gallons per hour in which the rate at which the water is leaking during the first 3 hours after the leak is discovered. So this is the amount of change that gallons per hour. So right now the units don't seem to be working, in which the rate at which the water is leaking first 3 hours. No, this is a derivative. This is R. So again, we're going to eliminate B. For part C, it says the rate at which the water leaks from the tank in gallons per hour 3 hours after the leak is discovered. Okay. So this is the rate again, so we can eliminate that. For D, it says the rate of change in which the water leaks from a tank in gallons per hour per hour. Okay, so that's a good indication. Well, the rate is, the units are exactly the same at 3 hours after leak is discovered. Yeah, that's the instantaneous rate change. So that is going to be D. The answer is D.